Hi guys, how is it going? This is Bobby from Believer01. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create the risky Grand League teams for targeting the first rank. So first of all, I am going to make this video in English. हमको हिंदी थोड़ा आता, I'm basically South India में आया. So I hope you understand. So as I told to you that I am going to make the video on creating the risky Grand League teams. So first of all, the importance of creating the risky Grand League teams is very high, because whenever you join Grand League, we are targeting for getting the first rank. We are not targeting for getting below 1000 or below 5000. That is not our target, right? So whenever you join for Grand League, our aim is to get the first rank. So I am going to show you how you can create those risky Grand League teams in our software. And those who don't know about our software, I am going to explain it pretty quickly right now. So it is a Dream11 team generator software. It will generate teams for all kinds of matches, and there are a lot of internal algorithms that this software uses in order to create the teams for you. So first of all, let's click on cricket here, and then click on generate teams. So I'm going to take help of any match to explain the process in this video. So first of all, then click on Dream11 or whatever the fantasy application that you use, and after that continue. And as I told to you, I am going to take help of any match to show you the example, and click on continue. And you can see, so there are 3 sections available here. This is a very important step in this video. As I told you that we are going to create the risky Grand League teams. So for creating the risky Grand League teams, we need to use the advanced generation section. So you can use quick Grand League section. This is an automatic section. So in this section, the teams will be mixed with both standard as well as risky teams, but our aim is for creating the risky teams completely. So we have to go with the advanced generation section, and we need to select the teams. In this case, Sri Lanka versus South Africa, and after that continue. We need to give the match number. You can give any match number. It is for storing the team's purpose. So you can give any match number. For example, 28 is the match number, and after that continue. And we need to select at least 6 players. So what I am going to tell you is that select all the 22 players. I mean all the playing 11 you need to select from both the teams for creating the risky Grand League teams. Since as I told to you, we are targeting for the first rank, we don't know which player is gonna play and which player is not gonna play. I mean which player will perform well, which player will not perform well, we don't know. That's why we are giving the software access to everything. Software will take the decision and will give you the teams for you. So let me quickly select all the 22 players from both the sides. So let me quickly select these players. So I'm going to select the players from both the sets pretty quickly here, and after selection of all the players from both the teams, we need to click on continue here. And so here this is the fixed player section. You don't have to touch this part at all. You just leave this section as it is. As I told to you, we are targeting for the first rank. You don't need to touch this section at all. And after that continue. And I'm going to make a separate video on winning the mega Grand Leagues, especially in IPL. In this coming IPL, I'm going to make a special video in coming days on cracking the Grand Leagues. Cracking mega Grand League is very important, because it is worth of 1 crore rupees. So if you can take these risks and play for all matches, you might end up winning the Grand League. Who knows? Nobody knows, because taking the risk is important. Winning 1 crore rupee is not a small thing. So if you follow the tips that I'm going to tell you, you might definitely will win the 1 crore rupees. That is the point. And as I told to you, so let's come to the video right now. And we need to select all the players for selection of captain, because software will take the decision. You don't need to worry, software will take the decision. You just need to select all the captain players here, and after that continue. And as well as in the vice captain as well, select all the 22 players. Software will take the decision. You don't need to worry at all. So you need to select all the 22 players, and after that continue. And in this section as well, I will make separate videos on these sections, how it works and what is the importance of these sections separately. So in this video, for risky Grand League teams, you just need to select all the 4 things, and after that continue, and we need to give the credit range. So credit range is very important, and it requires a separate video. I need a separate video for explaining this one. So for in this video, for creating the Grand League teams, you just need to select 97 to 99 is the credit range, and after that continue. So remember, 97 to 99 is the ideal range for creating the risky Grand League teams. And so after that continue and select at least one strategy. So we need to select all the available combinations. So we need all the combinations, right? We are targeting for the first rank, so we need all the combinations. So just go for all the combinations, and so quickly select all the combinations, and so after that we need to click on continue, and then we need to enter the number of teams you want. So I'm going to give 20 teams. So in Dream 11 we can create up to 20, right? For one account we can create up to 20, so I'm going to give 20, and after that generate teams. So you can see the teams are generated successfully at match number 28, are stored at match number 28, and whatever the teams are showing here, these are very accurate teams. I mean, these teams are very heavily filtered, and these are very risky, as well as these teams have the potential to get the first rank 100% sure. So if you follow these tips for every match, you will definitely win the 1 GL for sure. The very important thing is you just have to have patience and try for all matches. You will definitely win. I'm going to make a lot of videos, and I'm going to work on a lot of new things in this software, and everything will be available pretty soon. So I'm going to inform you whatever the updates that are going to be there. I'm going to inform you about everything that about all the updates. So these are the teams. I'm going to show you the analytics as well. You can see this analytics part. So this is the section where you can look how teams are generated, how many times a player is selected as captain, how many times a player is selected as vice captain, how many times which strategy is selected for creating the teams. You can see almost software used 10 strategies to select the teams. Software here, you can see software used 10 strategies to select the teams. That means software covered 10 combinations. Software covered 10 combinations to create the teams. So this is a very important thing. So first thing you should remember, in order to get the first rank, you need to take some risk. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create effective teams for the small league. That video will be available in the coming days. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. That's absolutely no problem. And I have provided the contact details in the description box below. So those who want the software, you can contact me. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.